Hello everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to show you how you can make this lovely vase. Using these items that we have here. I'm coming on today to share with you a glam DIY, as you can see, and we'll be using these items here, and everything will be listed down below in the description box. So you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Alright my glamsters, we're gonna start with this vase that we have here, and we are going to be using some mirror tiles. Now I have 3 different mirror tiles. I have these ones here which are 5 by 5. They're a little smaller, as you can see. And then we have the large 10 by 10 mirror tiles. And these ones also are 10 by 10 mirror tiles, but they're the regular size. So these are the 3 tiles here, and as you can see, there are 3 different sizes. And you can get these mirror tiles on Amazon. And now I have our tiles, and I have cut them down to strips. Each of them I cut down to strips. We'll be using them on strips to place onto our vase. Okay, so now our strips have they have a strong adhesive on the back, the ones that come from Amazon. The glue on the back is pretty good, but you can also use some E6000 to place them down also if you choose to. And now we're just going to put the strips going down our vase in different lengths to give us a nice pattern. And if this is your first time on my channel, I'd like to say welcome. Thank you for clicking on today's video to see our DIY today, and I hope you will hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you become part of our Glamster team. And once you hit the bell, you know you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY. And if you like today's video, I hope you give me a thumbs up. Give me a like, press that like button. And to my Glamsters, welcome back. Thank you also for clicking on today's video to see today's DIY. So we're going to continue on just laying our strips in different lengths, going up and down right around our vase. Okay, here is our vase all glammed up. So now we are going to use some of this black chain from BeeBeeCraft, and we're just going to add it to the bottom of our vase. And I will be using some E6000 to lay it down. Again, you could use any adhesive that you would like to hold down your project. Okay, so now we're just going to put the chain down, and I'll be looping it around about 3 times, just paying attention so I keep the chain facing with the beads facing forward, up, not twisting. And with the E6000, it gives you time to straighten out your chain before it dries completely. So just go around, and then after you can go back and straighten out your chain if need to. And now our next step. It looks very nice here, doesn't it? Absolutely beautiful. And now we are going to use some Mod Podge along with some glitter. And we're just going to mix the two of them together and then place them on all the open space on our vase. So like I'm doing here, just take your time and use your brush and just brush the Mod Podge and the glitter all over our project. Take your time, no need to hurry, and it will get done nice and neat. Listen to some music, sip on your coffee and tea, yeah, and enjoy your DIY. It's very relaxing when you're doing things on your own. It's very fulfilling, and it gives you a sense of pleasure to know that you created this item on your own. Yeah. That's the feeling I get every time I do my DIYs. I absolutely love crafting. It's very soothing and relaxing. And now I'm gonna add the mixture to the bottom of our vase, just below the chain, because it is showing when the vase is standing up. So we're just gonna add some Mod Podge going right around the bottom. And then I am just gonna have it set aside for a few hours and let the Mod Podge mixture dry completely. And here's our finished look, my glamsters. Our Glam DIY mirrored vase. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I love how it turned out with the mirrored tiles and the glitter. Yes, and the black chain from BeeBeeCraft. Doesn't that look absolutely lovely? I love how it turned out. The name fits it perfectly, a glam vase. Yes. Now here's our vase with some flowers inside. Now this is some light color flowers. You know, whatever you choose, you can have any color flowers that you like. So I said let me show you with some light flowers inside. But lately I've been feeling the darker flowers. Yes, I love this look. I love the black roses. I think they're absolutely beautiful. And to me the vase stands out more elegant with the black flowers inside. I absolutely love how it looks. But you know, you can use any kind of flowers that you like for your DIY. Your preference is perfectly fine. You don't have to like what I like. What you like is what matters. And here we go. We have it here. I think it makes a lovely statement piece. Like you guys know, I always tell you I love statement pieces. I think it looks absolutely beautiful on its own. Yes, it's making a bold statement. Yes, it is. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And here we go with the flowers inside. I think it looks lovely. Both ways, it looks absolutely lovely. With or without the flowers, it's a lovely vase decor for your home or as a gift for a loved one. Yes, yes, you can make one for yourself or make one to give to that special person in your life. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's glam vase that we created together. Yes, I think it looks absolutely beautiful, like I've been telling you all along. I absolutely love it. And if you're new here, I hope you'll hit that subscribe button. Yes, and don't forget to press the bell so so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. And if you liked today's video, give me a thumbs up. Yeah, give me a like. I'd really appreciate it. And share this video with your friends and family so they'll see how to make some glam decor for themselves also. Alright everyone, like I said, thank you for coming on and seeing today's DIY that I had to share with you today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.